Welcome to the CINAHL Advanced Search tutorial. Use the control bar to pause the tutorial at any time. Use speakers or headphones if you wish to listen to the audio. The default search mode in this example is Find All My Search Terms. In this case, CINAHL puts an invisible AND between all the words we type. Boolean phrase search looks for all the words we enter together as a phrase. This needs to be used carefully or we'll get 0 results. Some words such as a, for, the, etc. are not searched in a phrase search. Apply related words search the synonyms and plurals of our search terms, giving us more results. Also search within the full text articles gives us many more results. However, it includes any mention of the search terms and they may not be the main topic of the article. Don't check full text as this limits searches to articles available full text through EBSCO. Articles may be available full text in another database to which the library subscribes, but they won't appear if we check full text. The drop-down allows us to join our search terms by AND, the same as Find All My Search Terms, or the same as Find Any of My Search Terms, or Not, useful for eliminating words we don't want. The Advanced Search tab allows us to perform more precise searches than the basic search. Say we want to see all the publications in CINAHL by a particular author. We select Author on the drop-down and enter the author's name. We select the Boolean phrase radio button to keep the name and initial together. Let's try another search. Another useful type of search that can be done using the advanced search is a keyword search for synonyms that describe one of our research concepts. For example, let's search for these concepts: palliate, asterisk, or end of life, or terminal care. Note that the asterisk is a truncation symbol that searches for all of the endings of the root word. We change the default AND to OR. And select the Boolean phrase radio button. This search returns a large number of results. We clear the search boxes and enter our second set of search terms. And search. The latest version of CINAHL has some minor interface and behavior changes. Below are the most noteworthy. CINAHL updates automatically when you click on a limit or source type. You'll need to wait for the first limit to be applied before adding a second one. The abstract, preview, and add to folder icons are now together on the right side of the results list. Their functions are otherwise unchanged. Again, we have a large number of results. While it's possible to add rows and combined and or searches in the advanced search, it's easier to control results by keeping the two parts of the search separate and combining them in the search history. So now we go to the search history to combine the two searches using AND. To keep things neat, we delete our search terms from the boxes. We check the boxes next to the two searches we want to combine and search with AND. This dramatically reduces our number of results. We'll look at some ways of refining our search results using limiters. Usually it's best to start a search with a minimum of limits and then add them gradually so we can track what each limiter does to our results. A few limiters are displayed here, but to access all of them we click Show More. We limit the date range, and search. We can limit articles to English, although most articles will have at least an English abstract. Peer-reviewed limits our results to articles that have been reviewed and approved by other scholars. Occasionally, CINAHL loses the Boolean phrase limiter. Evidence-based practice articles examine nursing practices in light of empirical evidence. Checking it will reduce the number of our results, but they should be of higher quality. Our results are now down to 74. We're interested in limiting it to care for those over 65, so we select Aged 65 plus years, and select the Aged 80 and over item by control-clicking Windows or command-clicking Mac. We're now down to about 18 results. Remember, we can go back to any stage of our search by clicking the View Results link, which reruns that search. This ends the CINAHL Advanced tutorial. For more information on search options, see the CINAHL Advanced Search Options PDF.